Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to make a real life working calculator using Java without using switch statement. So this video is for beginner. So I am not going to complicate things here. I will make sure that I will make you understand in a very easy steps, and you will be learning within a few minutes how to make calculator using Java. So if you are new to the channel, just hit the like and subscribe button and share this video as much as possible. So here, let's start. We will be coding things together. So my condition is I want to make a real life calculator and I want to take value from the user. I don't want to hard code anything. I just want that user will give me the value, and in return I will give him the result. So what we are going to do is we will first make a two instance variable. Why two instance variable? Because if I have a single digit, I cannot do arithmetic operations on it. For arithmetic operations, I need two digits. So my first digit is num1 and my second digit is num2. You can also initialize variable like this and declare variable like this, not initialize, declare. So here I am going to ask from the user. This is my two instance variable. Okay, step one, two instance variable, int number 1 and int number 2. Then I will add, subtract, divide, multiplication. I will play with this two number. So I am going to ask user to put the value inside this empty variable. So user is going to put the value. So I am going to ask the user what, enter two number. So user will give me the two number. Now if user is going to give me the number, how gonna take it? How I'm gonna take the input given by the user? So I will be using here scanner class. Scanner, suppose sc is equal to, you can name it anything. I am naming here sc. You can name it like dc, anything, you whatever you want. New scanner. Here I'm going to take the value from the user by system. So system dot in. Okay, and here semicolon. So see here, there is a red squiggly error line. Why it is giving me an error? Because scanner is pre-built in Java, but it is not in default package of Java. So you are going to ask me, system is also a class. System is also a class. Why we are not going to import the statement for the system? Because system class is present in the default package of Java. It is present in the default package of Java. That's why we are not going to use any import statement for this. But when it comes to scanner class, we will import java.util.scanner, because this scanner class is not present in the default package of Java. So for using this scanner class, we need to import some statements. So now the error is gone. We import, we use the scanner class. Okay, now the half thing is done. Now we are going to take the input from the user. How we are going to take this? See here, by the help of my object. What is my scanner class object name? DC here. Okay, so DC dot, I'm using dot operator, next int. Here it will suggest me, here see, here it is suggesting me next int. Okay, so user will give me the input. Now I am going to this is the first input that user will give me. Now similar to that, I will take the next input for my next variable. I have two variable, I already told you. You already did this with me. See, I have two variables, so I will take two times input from the user, and I'm gonna what to do with it? I'm going to store it. I'm going to store this line in number 1, and I'm going to store this line in number 2. So here I'm going to store it in num1 and this one in num2. So now the half thing is complete. I asked user to enter the two number, the user entered the first number, and I stored it in my first num variable. User then give me the second number and I stored it in the second num variable. Okay, now what will I do is I will ask the user what do you want to do with it, with this two number, what do you want to do, add, subtract, what do you want to do, what arithmetic operations you want to do. So for this I will ask him to select operation. Okay, my operation is 1 means plus, okay, 2 means minus, wait, 2 means minus, here 1 means plus, 2 means minus, and 3 means, if user select 3 it means multiplication, if user select 4 it means division, and if user select 5 then it means remainder. Okay, so these are the operations that we offer right now in our calculator. So user will select the operations. Now I am going to store that operation. So where here I will make another variable that is operations. Okay, and here I am going to use it. Operations is equal to, what is my variable name? How will I going to store the user input? By help of object, scanner class object. So dc dot, wait, dc dot next int. Again I stored the user operations. Okay, so now I am going to write the logic for the calculator. So if you don't want to use switch case statement, you can use if else ladder. So if else ladder is also the right thing to do here. If I don't want to use switch case, how to use if else ladder? So now see, if I have one or two cases, so I will use if or else, but here I have five cases, so I can use if else ladder. So first let's write the logic. If my user, if my user input 1, so what we are going to do is we are going to add. 1 means add here, now see, 1 means add, so num1 plus num2. Okay, and you can store this. Why it is giving me an error? Because wait, you can store this in int calculated. So right, now else if, see, after if you can give else if. Okay, if my user give, wait, where am I going to write this? If my user give 2, what we are going to do is int calc is equal to num1 minus num2. Okay, wait, I have to print this out also. System dot out dot println, I have to show the result to the user also now. Here I am just calculating it, I am not showing it to anyone, so I have to show the result to the user. So I will just do this and copy this line, because this line, I need this line here. See now, another else if. You can give as many as else if you want, it does not matter. After if you can give else if, but after else you cannot use else if. So if my operations, if user select operation number 3, what we are going to do is first I, what we are going to do is similar thing, just num1 into num2. Similar thing, if my user select the operation number 4, what we are going to do? Operation number 4 means division. So okay, let's divide int. Here see, every time I am making this variable, this is a local variable. See here, this is a local variable. Its scope is between these curly braces only. Okay, this else if does not know that already calc name variable is already made. After this bracket, this variable scope is died. So I can make it with same name. It does not affect my code. Num2. Oh, not multiplication, division, no? Num2. So here guys, if you want me to make another video on the instance variable, classes and constructor oops concept, so you can mention me in the comment. I will obviously make. So now else statement, if any other not else statement, see here, else statement, just else statement, not, I should give else if, wait, I should give else if operations is 5, then int calc is equal to num1 modulo num2. Modulo means reminder guys. Okay, if I want to uh, know the remainder, then modulo works. So here let's see, let's run the program. I hope it work. So let's, so enter two number. So first number is 2 and second number is 2. Select the operation. So I am going to select here 1. So here see 4. But why it is coming in a single line? I already gave next in print ln. Okay, that's why. See here, the issue is if I give only print, then it will ask me the answer in this line only. But I want another line, so that's why I will give print ln. So these are the things that you should remember. You should not remember. These are the things that you should uh, focus on. That why is this happening? Why if this is happening, then why? What is the reason? Then you will be a good coder. So no worries. Nobody is good coder here. 5 5. Select the operations. Now I can give the operation number. Here I want minus, so I will choose operation 2. Here see the result, the output is 0. Here instead of printing the output directly, I want to decorate things little bit. So your result is, and here I will add a plus sign. Okay, and I will just copy this, and here, wait, I will just copy from here, copy this and paste this, again paste this, again paste this, and now paste this, and now save the code and now run. Okay, so first number will be 2, second number will be 5, operation 1, and your result is 7. See, this is my calculator. I am giving the number, user is giving the number. We are not hard coding any value here, any value. We are not hard coding it. Whatever the user will give the input, we will take. Whatever the user choose the operations, will be act according to it. So this is how we can make a working calculator using Java. So I hope you like the video, and if you like this video, just share, subscribe and do comment as much as possible. So I will be reading all of your comment guys. So share this video as much as possible, and we will be doing some another things in short period of time. So Let's meet again. Bye bye.